Hi, it's Shama Maher, CEO of Scaling Retail, and today we're going to answer the question of if you need a celebrity endorsement for your marketing strategy. Now, when we think about celebrity endorsements, it's really important that we actually unpack the question of what is a celebrity? Now, most of us think of celebrities traditionally as being A-list or B-list or C or D-list celebrities that we see in movies. However, guys, when it comes to looking at celebrity, we also have to ask ourselves, do influencers count as celebrities? My answer is yes. So when we're thinking about a celebrity marketing strategy, I like to call that more of an influencer marketing strategy, and how you can actually think about movie celebrities in the context of an entire influencer marketing strategy. Now, if you were to ask me if you needed an influencer marketing strategy, the answer to that would be yes again. Simply because these days it's very, very important to build up social proof. And when you're building up social proof in your business, you have to ask yourself, who else gives? Generally speaking, an influencer who vouches for your business is a pretty great voice in terms of saying, yes, this product is a good idea. Yes, I love this product. I use this product. And to actually be able to do so in a way that's organic and natural is even better. These days, just seeing someone's product on an influencer page, let's say on Instagram or on a vlog on YouTube, can easily be bought and paid for. It's really those organic relationships that you want to be looking to build. So, yes, you do need a celebrity marketing strategy. It should really be folded into an influencer marketing strategy. And guys, you should be looking at building this organically. Now, how on earth do you do that? Well, my advice is to start by looking at who would be a natural fit for your brand. Who are the people out there that you could already see wearing it? Who are the ones you actually want to build a relationship with? These are the guys who you're going to be sending emails to, writing letters to, sending them product, and really hoping that you can build an affinity with that brand. Make it fun, make it funny, make it something that's really going to stand out. And you've got to ask yourself, hey, if someone sent me, some money to leverage my audience, would I just go ahead and put my name on anything? No, you wouldn't. You would have some integrity around that. At least I would hope. So, when it comes to building out an influencer marketing strategy, guys, please make sure you think about what is an authentic and right fit. Don't just look for the people that have the highest number of followers. Don't just look for the people that are working with tons of big brands. Really look for the micro-influencers, the smaller celebrities, the people who are really going to add a strong voice to your brand. And actually, guys, maybe wear it on their own time. Maybe wear it when there isn't something that is attached to it, like a paycheck or something like, a free product. Sometimes, guys, your biggest fans are the ones who already buy your product. So find ways of engaging them as well. If you're looking to launch and build an influencer marketing strategy, please head over to Scaling Retail. We would love to speak with you and see how we can use our team of marketing professionals to be able to help you grow and launch your marketing. All right, guys, leave comments below. Would love to hear from you. And make sure you follow us at Scaling Retail on Instagram. We would love to help your business. Talk to you soon. Have an amazing day. Bye.